All right, guys, here we are. We are at Fried Color in Fort Walton Beach, and this is the graphic vinyl wrap your cars, your trucks, your fleets, whatever. But anyway, Uncle Packy's brought his buggy here. You know, Barrett Hepburn, you know, he did that design. I put him through the ringer trying to get all this stuff done. But anyway, he got it done. Then we sent it, I think, to Pennsylvania. Got it printed. Now it's shipped here. Anyway, long story short, the buggy is in there. You see the trailer's empty. The buggy is in there. I'm gonna go in here and introduce you to Gary here in a second. And he's already done it. He's been doing some work. All right, let's go check it out. Mr. Gary.
Yes, sir.
Doing all right?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
You ain't done a whole lot right here.
I know. That's it.
I'm just kidding. Let's check it out. Let's see what yeah, got some of the front done. Hey, and now all you guys see why I have orange A-arms, purple axles, blue shocks. Yeah, because it all matches. I told y'all, you just got to give me a little bit. Y'all see. Y'all eventually get there. Man, Mr. Gary's getting it done, buddy.
Hey, we're doing what we can. It's what we do every day, all day.
That's right. So look, Gary's located here in Fort Walton in Florida. I know it's a little rough ride for some of y'all, but if y'all want it done right, this is the man to come see. I got some time-lapse video when we worked on the side. I'm gonna put on here in a little bit too, but so this video might be a little jumping around, but we'll get it figured out. Watch that squirt bottle. I think I'll jump out and bite you.
I got him trained.
That's right. It's looking good. All coming together.